Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video on Plasticity. Well, today I want to show you a neat little modeling trick that hopefully will enrich your modeling process. And it's related to curves, right? So I'm going to grab a spline curve and I'm just going to start to lay something out like this. All right, and right click. And it's a really simple thing, but it's very powerful, right? So now let's say I want to control this CV. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to move it around. And what you'll see is that it will move that around to the extent of what is possible by moving this single CV. But what if I want to move around the rest of the line accordingly? Now what you can do is you can hold this, move it around, and press the Alt key. And when you do that, you can now suddenly move the entire line, right? So that's pretty powerful, I would say, and pretty neat as well. So hopefully that will be of use to you. And that said, thank you for watching this short video, but hopefully helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.